I'm diving into the world of stock trading to see if Bmoof is really about to explode. Can I predict its next big move? Bmoof stock has been on a lot of people's radar lately, and for good reason. It's been making some big moves in the market, and a lot of investors are wondering if it's about to take off. As we dive into the world of stock trading, it's clear that Bmoof is one to watch, and today we're going to explore whether or not it's about to explode in value. Bmoof stock has been facing some recent challenges, including market volatility that's made it difficult for investors to predict its next move. On top of that, the stock has been experiencing some performance issues, leading some to wonder if it's a good investment opportunity. But despite these challenges, there are still a lot of reasons to pay attention to Bmoof. It's got a strong history of growth, and it's operating in an industry that's ripe for disruption. One of the biggest concerns for investors right now is the unpredictability of the market. With so many external factors influencing stock prices, it can be tough to know what's coming next. Add to that the fact that Bmoof has been struggling to maintain its momentum, and it's clear that investors are getting a little nervous. And yet, despite all of this, there are still some die-hard Bmoof fans out there who are convinced that the stock is about to take off in a big way. Another challenge facing Bmoof is the sheer amount of competition in its industry. With so many other companies vying for investors' attention, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. On top of that, recent news about the company's leadership has left some investors wondering if the company has the right people at the helm to take it to the next level. And let's be real, the fact that Bmoof has been experiencing some performance issues is definitely a concern. It's clear that the company is going to have to make some big changes if it wants to attract more investors and start growing again. So what's driving the fluctuations in Bmoof's stock price? One of the biggest factors is industry trends. With the industry as a whole experiencing some major shifts, it's no wonder that Bmoof is feeling the effects. On top of that, recent company news has also had a big impact on the stock's performance. And let's not forget about economic indicators. With the economy experiencing some ups and downs, it's no wonder that investors are getting a little nervous. But despite all of these external factors, there are still some underlying trends that suggest Bmoof might be on the verge of a major breakout. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence that suggests Bmoof might be about to explode is the company's recent investment in emerging technologies. It's clear that the company is committed to innovation, and that's exactly what investors want to see. On top of that, recent rumors about a potential partnership with a major industry player have got everyone abuzz. If this deal goes through, it could be a major game changer for Bmoof. And let's not forget about the company's strong financials. With a solid balance sheet and a growing revenue stream, it's clear that Bmoof has the resources it needs to make a big move. It's all about putting the pieces together and looking at the bigger picture. When you do that, it's clear that Bmoof is poised for some major growth. So what does it all mean? It means that Bmoof stock has the potential to explode in value. We're talking significant growth, people. And that means that investors who get in on the ground floor could be looking at some major returns. Of course, there are no guarantees in the world of stock trading, but one thing is for sure, Bmoof is definitely one to watch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on Bmoof stock in the comments below. Have you invested in Bmoof? Do you think it's about to take off? Let me know, and be sure to check out my other videos for more stock analysis and insights.